because we're talking about one very essential topic that is going to form the future, and this is of course AI.
Today, AI is used by different government agencies. We have over 80 different AI projects utilized and over 30 different organizations that have carried out AI projects.
AI can provide you capabilities and insights you simply didn't have before.
What do you think are the current challenges of AI that will bring us forward over the next couple of years?
One thing that is important is that because AI is a field that can go into any vertical, any sector, people need to have some sort of hygiene level to at least understand what's possible with the technology, so that A, they can protect themselves, and B, they can make better algorithms in the future so that they're more safer for the public as well.
So Glia is reinventing how businesses connect and how they support their customers online by building the next generation of contact center communications and making DCS, digital customer service, a reality.
That AI helps the human and human helps the AI, so eventually they can be as one, that AI is a part of the process.
What I see is that the AI is not replacing the humans. It will not happen in the future, but it will actually empower us. It will empower us with small items that will actually make us a better service agent to provide you experience that you are actually expecting to have, or we even exceeding that.